Hey, good day. Now the aim of this video is to walk you through on creating an account for a Google Play account and uploading your app to Play Store. So firstly, the first thing we are going to do is create an email. Well, if you have that, that's not an issue. But once you create a Gmail account, you go to the URL play.google.com/console. That is play.google.com/console. Oh, what's wrong with me? Okay, so I already have an account, and if I should go to play.google.com/console, so you can see it's relating to slash developers. That is because I already have an account and I've done all the necessary payments for it. So once you go to play on as your end, once you go to play.google.com/console, you are going to have to fill in some payments details and other stuffs for you to create your developer account. So once that is done, you are going to have an interface like this. I currently have this developer account under this Play Console account. So in this process of uploading a mobile app to this account, I'm going to choose this developer account. That is this one up here. Alright, so once you are in, this is what you're going to see blank, and the next thing you see is first thing your eye is going to grab here is create your first app you create will be shown on this page, blah blah blah. So you can learn more, read more on it, or just head straight to create app. Okay, so the name of the app we want to create is Gaff Pay, and default language, let's just leave it as English. Is it an app or a game? It's not a game, it's an app. Is it free or paid? It's free. Just fill in the necessary details, declaration, confirm it meets developer policy and yes, export law. Software application says to regular migration nationality, and just you're going to accept it. Do well to read and, if possible, learn more on it also. And I've done my part on that, so I'm going to click on it and create app. Okay, so once you are about to start the app, we're going to do some initial setup. So the first step, we're going to view the first step without special access. Like it is. I'm going to save it and go back to the dashboard. The next step is add. Let's see. No, it does not contain add. Save. Go back to the dashboard. That's done. Content rating. Oh, sorry. Let's start the questionnaire so you can know how it is. Email address. It will be support at yourportalname.com. Category. Your category. Let's use utility. And next. We save this, and next is the summary of everything, and we're done. Let's go back to the dashboard. Target audience 18 and over should be okay, or let's pick 16 or 17 and next, appeal to children. These changes have been saved. Then go back to dashboard. Manage how apps organize. See app category. You can bring it as productivity. Yeah, bring it for productivity. And tags, you can put as many tags as you want, but I'm just going to look for tools here. I'll put in tools. Then I'm going to apply this. Store listing details. Once again, I'm going to put in support at gov.com. You can leave the phone number blank for now, so let's go to the next. Save changes and change as a save. So we're going back to dashboard now. Set up store listing. App name cafe, yeah, certification. So description of our app. You can copy this because we probably need it again. Full description. I'm going to copy from my notepad now, and I'll paste in some. That's it. And next app icon, I'm going to upload an icon that's on my desktop right here. I'm going to open it. It's going to bring up an error. I just want us to see that error is going to bring up, so I can show us how to solve the error. You can see it brings up 5 the dimensions around. So now to fix the dimension, you open the image in the system, and I have mine open here, so I'm going to edit it. I click on edit and come over here. Then I'm going to pick I'm going to unlock this first, because I'm going to my system, you might not have to do that. And write this dimension here. You can see it's saying 512 by 512, so I'll put 512 by 512 and make sure this is pixel also, because we're going for pixel. And okay, so once it is done, I'll come here, replace. It's going to take me back to the pick. I'm going to pick the one the newly edited version. Once I open it, it's going to upload now. Okay, so it's uploaded feature graphics. You can upload the same thing, and probably it may bring up that same error again, but let's just upload it. Once it brings up the same error, just pick up the dimension. Like this dimension now here, it's wrong. It's 1024 by 500. So we're going to change that here. 1024 by unlock by 500. Okay, so since this is it here, that was the current one, the way it was before. I'm going to replace it now, and this is it here. Open. Okay, it's here now. Phone screenshots. I have some phone screenshots on my desktop right here. So this is them here. I'll start on the first page, then the next page, and this page. And here's the register page and the sign in page. I have a screenshot of all these already, so I'm just going to upload them in here. Okay, and we'll probably do the same thing here also. Same thing is applicable here also. And open. Okay, so now we don't have any video. Now, if you have a video on explaining how to use your app, you can just put the URL here and it's going to display it over there for you. So once you are done with it, you can save changes. Changes have been saved. You can notice, if you were noticing this place before, you notice that the current icon here changed. So now we are going back to the dashboard. Since the changes have been saved down here, you can now the next, so you scroll down to publish your app on Play Store. So now selecting the countries or region you want to upload it, you want it available, click on it, add, only be available everywhere, so click add publication region, add, go back to the dashboard and scroll down, create a new release. So we're creating a new release. Once you click on that, it said complete the steps above to continue the release. So let's continue. App sign in by Google Play Store. Okay. So we're going to upload our app now. Okay, so it's uploaded. You can see now it's release details and every other stuff is there. So now release notes. That's it. Save changes, and while save changes, you can see it give us then review release. One error. Now let's fix this one error. Version code 1. Function have to the privacy policy test. Let's go back to the dashboard first. Set privacy policy here. Then you come here and put in URL https:// in my case it's going to be www.cafe.com/policy, and that should be save. And now we can go back to where we came from, and that's here. You can see now the error has gone. Start rollout to production. The release, you can see this, then rollout. Being reviewed. You can see now it's been reviewed, and on a normal instance it's going to take a few days to be reviewed, and once it is done you can have your app on Play Store. If you come back to dashboard now, you can see updates in review submitted, and this we're expecting longer review time than usual. If you click on this, then due to the nature of what you're doing, it's really longer than that. So probably in a week's max, the app should be ready on Play Store. It will be published on Play Store already. So I guess that's about it for this video, and see you next time. Goodbye.